So, hey you guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Robert. I'm building out currently now 2014 Ram ProMaster, and thanks for joining. I have an interesting story to share with you guys. I'm at Ikea right now. Let's see if I can show you. Okay, and if you've watched any of my other videos, I still haven't purchased a MacBook, so I'm having difficulty switching from iOS, from Apple to Chromebook and all that. But anywho, I'm parked here and it's pouring down raining this bad, you guys, so I didn't really want to do much. If you can see the ground there, I mean, it's coming down pretty good. We need it though, it's been dry. But however, I just see a wallet sitting there and it's pouring down rain. I was like, well, somebody's gonna come back for it. And I sat there and I was like, well, I'm gonna pick it up. So I recorded me picking it up and taking it back into the Ikea. And the reason why I recorded this, you guys, is because I hope, I could see in this wallet too, I'm gonna show you when you see it, it had credit cards. I mean, we're at Ikea. We didn't find this at, like, you know, a Plaid Pantry or a 7-Eleven, you know, a convenience store. Someone's probably coming here to do some shopping. And I noticed at least 2 or 3 $20 bills. I don't know what else was under there. I didn't look. But lots of credit cards and, of course, ID. So I walked it into the thing, or into the front, and asked for customer service because I found a wallet, and the lady said she could take it. I recorded a little bit of her, but I didn't want to get her on camera. And that was the whole shot. That was just it. Me picking up the wallet, me returning it. I'm gonna post it on my shorts, guys, is what I'm telling you, because unless I figure out how to edit this whole thing and package it as Ikea and show you, I came to the store, I got my kitchenette. It's a funny story about that too. Also, is I didn't know that at Ikea, they say it's in stock. You can pick it up in store, but they have an overstock down the street. But now I pay for it here, and then I drive down there to another location and pick up the merchandise, which is fine. I didn't know that. I think I could have saved myself some trouble and just ordered it online and picked for pickup. And yeah, but anyway, so I feel good, guys. I put some good energy onto this channel, into the van. It's a gloomy, rainy day, and I know somebody had to come back and look for that it was a purse. It looked like a zip-up purse, so it looked like a lady's purse. And I know she had to come back and get it, and she's going to be so thankful. And I just hope that she brings down some good energy on me, on our journey, this trip. And it's going to be great, guys. I pretty much had the floors done. I wasn't intending on posting this, you guys. Not until Sunday I was going to post. I may post this today. It's currently Friday. It's pouring down raining. I got my 2x4s ready to go up. I'll show you. If you can see back here just real quick. So I got these cut here. Okay, the 2x6s actually. And I got them perfectly. They're gonna go right perfectly there. And I went on ahead kept a couple of my tie down screws, or really all of them, that I weren't going to use. And these are the manufacturers. I'm going to go over here to AutoZone or a hardware store and see if I can just get about 1.5 inches, just a little bit longer. And then all I need to do is just drill holes in that 2x6s and get those nice and tight in there with a washer. And that's my bed frame right there. Sleep that way. Oh, and I was at Ikea. I totally forgot, you guys. I was gonna get the bedpost today for that, and that was my plan. After I put up the 2x6s, all I need is the Ikea bedpost or the support beams. They're really cheap too. And then I'm just gonna lay a sheet of plywood. That's gonna be my bed. So, but I wanted to show you guys where I was at a little bit. The intention on this video, I was just wanting to share with you guys what I just went through. That's the whole purpose of it. And I think maybe I'm trying to edit and get it on this one, and just go from there. But I hope everybody's doing good. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And we're gonna head over right now. I'll just bring you guys along for the ride. We're gonna head over to the store where apparently I get to pick up the kitchenette. And I'm excited about that because this thing is like perfect for me. It's gonna be great. It's gonna fit right in there, and then I'll be able to work around it. I have my sink. I know what I'm gonna do about water and my gray tank and all that stuff. So it's gonna be great, guys. Right now we gotta drive about 3 minutes, 4 minutes down the road here. Says tough. Alderwood is where we're going, guys. That was fun. I really enjoyed helping out, making that lady's day. I just can't even express it how much, man. Just, imagine losing your license, just all that stuff. Credit cards. I've been through it. You have to you have to shut down everything. And then when you get your new cards, you got to sync them to your phone and all you got to, it's just a headache. And that's the first thing that I thought when I see, whoa, excuse me there. When I seen it sitting there, I was like, please come back, somebody. It looks like it was a nice, healthy, chunky wallet. So she had a lot of, credit cards. You can tell stuff in it. Feel amazing. It felt great, you guys. And that's what I want to do. I want to just try to help people with as little as I can. Like doing something like that. That was just like as little as possible and probably just gonna make someone's day. So that felt amazing. All right, well, you guys can tell I'm pumped. I'm gonna go ahead, get the kitchenette. What I'll probably do is in this video here, I really wanna try to get on that short and just make it one video. If I don't, you guys, please just go to my channel and check out that short. It's amazing. All you see is me picking it up in the pouring rain and walking it at Ikea and giving it to the lady at the front desk. And she said she was gonna take it to customer service. And it felt amazing, man. And then when I went back outside because I parked in the loading, and I was kind of parked on a hill and I just didn't feel comfortable. Something came over me saying, why don't you park on a flat surface? You don't know how long you're going to be in here. So I walked back out. When I was coming back in, I swore I seen a lady like running in there like really fast. So that gave me warm and fuzzy feeling inside. Okay, you guys, I think I'm going to let you go because I'm doing too much at once and it's pouring, raining. My visibility is very low. So thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you next time.